and welcome back to Hubgrass Meditation. My name is Ashley, and I am so excited because today we have a Wally-inspired meditation. Wally is one of those special characters that can find joy in the small things and slow down and enjoy them. Where in the hustle and bustle of this everyday world, sometimes that can be a little difficult. So please join me in this Wally-inspired meditation. When you're ready to begin, take a moment to find a comfortable position. It can be sitting or laying down, as long as you feel supported and at ease. Feel free to move around during this meditation, adjusting your body in whatever way feels best for you. And when you feel ready to do so, gently close your eyes. If that's not available to you, you can soften your gaze or look down at the tip of your nose, and we'll begin. Start by bringing your awareness to your breath. We're not going to change it right away, just noticing your natural breathing. The inhale and the exhale. Always let your breath be something you can return to time and time again. As we continue to focus in on our breath, the inhale and the exhale, you're going to feel your shoulders begin to soften down, back, away from the ears. You're going to create some space in your jaw by lightly opening your mouth. You're going to unstick your tongue from the roof of your mouth and relax all the micro movements around the eyes, feeling the eyes settle heavily into their sockets. And if your mind feels busy today, or maybe a little anxious, maybe it feels like it's moving too fast, that's okay. Nothing has gone wrong. You're just gently guiding your attention back to the breath again and again. And as we sit here and focus in on our breath, an image begins to take shape in your brain. You're in Wally's world, and you see him moving around his space. He's collecting the trash around him, moving it inward, and releasing it outward. He's not rushing. He's not trying to do everything at once. He's just slowly moving and noticing what's around him. And as you continue to breathe, you begin to notice the small things he's collected. One of those objects is a spork. Not quite a spoon, not quite a fork. Something a little different, a little unexpected. Something that everyone else would overlook as trash. And instead of throwing it away, he gets curious about it. And let yourself feel that curiosity. Instead of the pressure to understand everything, you're seeing something simple like a spork for the very first time. As he continues to move about his day, you notice him turning around a colorful cube in his hand. It's a Rubik's Cube. He's not rushing to solve it. He's just simply exploring it. He doesn't feel the need to figure everything out right now. And there's a lesson there. You don't have to solve your life in this moment. you can simply observe. Next, we see him pick up something a little different. A small flicker of light, a lighter. You see him catch the flame, and it might frighten him a little, but he's curious. He's observing it. And placing it with his treasures. Next, we see him open a small box. He loves the way it opens and it closes. And to anyone else, there would be something extremely valuable inside. The special thing about Wally is he finds magic in the ordinary objects. He opens it and closes it again and again. Not for what's inside, but for the simple joy of the experience itself. Next, we see him holding a tiny plant growing inside an old, worn boot. Something that could have been so easily thrown away, but now holds life itself. And this tiny plant inside the boot is so simple, but so full of life. And he cares for it, and he protects it. And let that remind you that even the smallest things can hold on to so much meaning. That land. Joy doesn't have to be big or impressive or earned. Sometimes it's just a moment, a breath, tiny shift in awareness, and looking for those small joys in life. Those small joys that no one else would find joy in but you. Not complicated, simple. And as you sit here, breathing in and breathing out, let yourself feel grounded in this moment. You don't need to hold everything right now. You don't need to fix anything. And you don't need to think 10 steps ahead. Right now, you are here. Breathing in and breathing out. And maybe there's one small thing you can notice. A sensation in your body, a feeling of warmth, a sense of support beneath you. Let that be enough. yourself come back to the simplicity of this moment. Just like Wally, finding meaning in what's right in front of him. Take a slow, steady inhale and a long, gentle exhale. And begin to bring your awareness back to your body, wiggling your fingers and your toes, maybe a roll of your shoulders, taking your time. And when you're ready, gently opening your eyes. And as you move back into your day, don't forget to take a little vitamin J with you, your daily dose of joy, exactly as you are.